Are you looking for a simple online web editor? We have just released a free open-source web editor app that runs in your web browser, so no installation is needed. There are no ads and no registration is required. Because the app runs in your browser, the files you work with are never uploaded to servers. The app works locally, and you can even use it offline. No internet connection is needed. This app is mainly designed for desktop Chromium-based browsers. It gives you a local project file tree, a code editor, and a live preview area side by side. You can resize the panels, temporarily hide them, and work with a project structure that includes folders, text files, images, and other assets. You can create new files and folders directly in the app, or import files and folders from your computer. The app stores the project locally in the browser, and when you are done, you can export the whole project as a zip file. If you open a text-based file such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SVG, or XML, you can edit it directly in the editor. If you open an image, it will be shown in the preview area. HTML files can also be previewed directly, including link local assets such as CSS files, JavaScript files, images, subtitle files, and other files referenced by relative paths. There is also an optional syntax highlighting feature for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and XML files. It is turned off by default, but you can enable it in the settings. You can also change the editor font type, font size, and theme. This app is not a full replacement for a real development server or a full IDE. It is designed for lightweight editing, testing, and previewing local static web projects in a privacy-friendly way. This is the 5th open-source application released by CasinoLove. You can find the source code on GitHub. The link to the app is in the video description. Let us know what you think. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to hear about the next free app we will release.